OpenAI just acquired this company for $3 billion, and it's not for the reason you think. Before I talk about which company OpenAI acquired, you need to understand there's a category of AI tools that started popping up in late 2024 and early 2025 called AI code editors. Long story short, an AI code editor helps developers write code faster. The most well-known one is probably Cursor, one of the pioneers in this field. Another tool that was underrated initially, but is gaining traction recently, is Windsurf, formerly known as Codium. Codium was a company that specialized in code search within GitHub repositories. Imagine you have a massive code base, a sea of code, and Windsurf helps you find specific lines of code quickly. In late 2024, Codium pivoted into building AI code editors, just like Cursor, and of course, rebranded to Windsurf. You might be wondering why OpenAI chose Windsurf over a pioneer like Cursor. It's simple. Windsurf is just better. Windsurf is widely regarded as the best AI code editor and is preferred by developers over Cursor. When I first heard the news, I assumed OpenAI would supercharge Windsurf's capabilities, like the Cascade agentic coding workflow, and transform it into an enterprise-level code editor that could reduce the need for engineers. It made sense. AI advances, companies hire fewer engineers, and costs go down. But then it hit me. I was looking at it all wrong. OpenAI isn't just buying a code editor, they're buying data. OpenAI is one of the pioneers in the LLM, large language model industry. There's been a race in the LLM space between OpenAI, Claude, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, and Grok from xAI, Elon Musk's company. The critical factor in this race? Data. Massive amounts of data power these models. For perspective, OpenAI is looking to buy a nuclear power plant to power its data centers. That's how much data is being processed. Data is the most important thing in building a better LLM. And OpenAI didn't buy Windsurf for its code editor. They bought it for the telemetry data, real-time data from Windsurf's users. Here's how it works. When you use Windsurf, you can ask it to generate code. The user can accept or reject these code suggestions. This is gold for OpenAI because it's human feedback at scale. With enough of this data, OpenAI can use it to fine-tune its upcoming GPT-5 model, specifically for coding. This could drastically improve GPT-5's coding capabilities, allowing it to compete directly with models like Claude 3.7 and even surpass them. With the release of o3 recently, OpenAI's goal is clear. It wants to become the best large language model company in the world. And this acquisition of Windsurf is a massive step towards that vision.